back to Creative Mesa. Today we are going to make chocolate chip cookie. It's the most easiest recipe, always bakes perfect. So let's get started. Today I will share the recipe where I pre-make these cookie dough balls, freeze it, and then whenever I need it, I will bake it fresh and serve it hot. Let's see how to make this. 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cup of chocolate chips. Here my chips are small, so you can adjust accordingly. Half a cup of jaggery, half cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, half cup roasted peanuts crushed. You can also substitute with almond, vanilla extract, 1 egg, 1/4 cup room temperature butter, 3 pinch of baking powder, 1 pinch salt. First step is creaming the butter. This step determines the consistency or the chewiness of the final baked cookie. So both the butter and the egg should be at room temperature. Mix it very well and cream it nicely. The right consistency is butter and sugar mixture will turn lighter and fluffy. My egg is fresh, so I'm adding directly into this mixture. So if you're unsure, in a bowl, take the egg, add vanilla essence, beat it well and then mix into this bowl. By this way, you can also avoid any broken shells falling into it. Sieve the dry ingredients as shown here. The secret tip is add corn flour to make it chewy inside and crispy outside. Try this out. Mix the dry and wet ingredients together. Another secret tip is if you feel the consistency is bit towards thinner side, add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Add chocolate chips and mix well. See to it that in every bite you get chocolate chips, so increase or decrease the quantity. Now divide the mixture into balls of 1 tablespoon each. Refrigerate for 1 hour. After 1.5 hours, it hardens up. Now, smoothen it just like this and then store it in the Ziploc bag. Freeze it. Your frozen cookie dough is ready. Now let's bake it. Remember the cookie dough expands, so place it accordingly. Preheat the oven for 190 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Initially I kept 20 but then 15 was enough. It depends based on your oven.